Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Startup Academy, your online gateway to success in ISS exam. So we have been covering the topic Econometrics and which comes from the third paper, which is Statistics 3 descriptive type, and this is considered as one of the most difficult paper or one of the most difficult topic in that paper. So we have till now done SLR model, MNR model, some problems relating to that model, SEM, endogeneity, and almost we have been covering all of the syllabus line wise, so that there is no problem for you to practice and also for you to understand. So we are taking this slowly and gradually because this cannot be completed in 1 or 2 days. And since this is a huge syllabus, ISS requires your time. So I hope you all are doing and practicing what we are doing in class and related to these. We cannot take every PYQ. So related to these, the recent PYQs we take in the class and all the PYQs you can solve. And if you still have any doubt, then you can contact us on our WhatsApp channel or contact to us in the comment section below. So since we are covering simple simultaneously equation model in the previous lectures, today also we will do one PYQ of that, which is this, which came in 2022, where we have been given a model y1t is equals to beta 10 plus beta 11 y2t plus gamma 11 x1t, gamma 12 x2t plus u1t, and y2t is equals to beta 20 plus beta 21 y1t plus u2t. The question says that we have to check the identifiability of both the equations and hence solve the model. Now solving the model is by 2 SLS method, by 3 SLS method, that we will do in tomorrow's class. But in today's class, we will check the identifiability of this model. So let's begin. So for checking the identifiability of this model, let us first consider capital M. Total number of endogenous variables in our model, which are y1t and y2t. Any y with any y except for y1t and y2t is not present here. So there are only two endogenous variables, and capital K, which is total number of exogenous variable in our model. So exogenous variable, one is x1t and one is x2t. There is no xt except for x1t and x2t. So capital K is also 2. Now for identifiability, firstly we will move on to equation number 1. For equation 1. Now what does our equation have? First we will say that small m is equals to and small k is equals to. Small m is equals to number of endogenous variable present in the model, so included. So it is 1 and 2, y1t and y2t. So total number of endogenous variables are 2, which are included in the equation, and total number of exogenous variable 1 and 2. These are also 2. So for this we will check m minus 1, which is equals to 2 minus 1 equals to 1, and k minus k, which is equals to 2 minus 2, which is equals to 0. So here k minus k is less than m minus 1. This is, we are checking order statistic. Or we can write order condition. Since k minus k is less than m minus 1, then it is under identified. And under this condition, we cannot move to rank condition. When we get under identified, then we do not move to rank condition, and hence we can say this equation is not identifiable. If it would have been over identified or exactly identified, then we would have moved to rank condition, and after that we would have calculated rank of q and all those which we have done in previous class. But since it is under identified, then this equation is not identifiable. Now from this equation only we know that our model is not identified. But since they have told in the question check for identifiability for every equation, so we will check for the second equation as well. For equation 2, small m and small k, number of included endogenous variables are 2, y1t and y2t, so these are 2, and number of included exogenous variables are 0. Since there is no x present in this model or in this equation, so we can write it as 0. Now what is m minus 1 here? M minus 1 is 2 minus 1, which is equals to 1, and capital K minus small k is 2 minus 0, which is equals to 2. Here we are again checking order condition. Now here capital K minus small k is greater than m minus 1, and hence from order condition we can say that our model is over identified. And since our model is over identified, we can move to rank condition. Since it is over identified, then we can move to rank condition. Now what does rank condition says? Firstly we have to find the rank. Firstly we have to find q matrix, which will give us rank x1t and x2t. Coefficient of x1t and x2t in equation 1. So coefficient of x1t is gamma 11 and x2t is gamma 12. So gamma 11, gamma 12. These are the coefficients. So since there is only one non-zero row present in Q matrix, then we can say rank of Q is equal to 1. Now rank of Q is equals to 1, and capital M minus 1, which is 2 minus 1, is also equal to 1. Hence we can say rank of Q is equal to capital M minus 1. And hence our model is exactly, or equation we can say, identified. Now we can see that equation 1 and equation 2, and hence our model. So equation 1 was under identified, under order condition, and equation 2 was over identified, under order condition. And for rank condition, this was not possible. And for rank condition, here it was exactly identified. And hence we can say our model is not identifiable. Even if one equation is not identifiable, our model becomes not identifiable. So hence we can say that our model is not identifiable. Now they are saying to solve this question further. For solving this question, we will take, there are two methods, 2 SLS, 2 simple linear regression, 2 simple linear least square estimation method, and 3 SLS, 3 simple least square estimation method. So out of the two, we can use either of one. But since we have not done it yet, so I am not teaching you that in today's class. We will start with those two methods tomorrow. You will know it furthermore. Giving you an overview of that, firstly, we will in two-stage least square estimation method, 2 SLS, which is two-stage least square method. In 2 SLS method, firstly in stage 1, we will find x1t cap and x2t cap. We will estimate the value of x1t and x2t. And in stage 2, we will find y1t cap. We will predict the value of y1t and y2t. Or simply we can say, in the first stage, we will first predict exogenous variables or independent variables. And here we in stage 2 we will predict endogenous variables or dependent variables. This is also an easy solution. So we will take this in tomorrow's class. I hope you got what we have done in today's class. If you still have any doubts, then you can ask us on our WhatsApp channel or Telegram channel, or even in the comment section. Relevant doubts will be answered. And you should keep on studying with us, because this is a very vast topic and it cannot be covered in small period of time, and we all have very less time left for our examination. So we should start preparing from now on. If you are not preparing, then you should get started today only. Make a schedule for yourself, make space for your studies and also for your regular exercises and everything, so that you won't be lacking behind when the exam will be near. So keep on doing it with us and ask your doubt. Keep on asking your doubt. Many of you have been asking your doubts to us, which is very good and very appreciative. Now we will continue with the 2 SLS method and 3 SLS method tomorrow. And this econometrics will be completed in some time. And afterwards, we will discuss what all we have completed according to the syllabus. And then we will move on further to our next topic. Till then, you should all take care of yourself and keep on preparing. Thank you.